stone him, or did you cast a stone? Did you see him when they showed him? Did you see his crown of thorns? Did you try to stop the sacrifice? Did you see his body torn? And the sky was filled with thunder as the darkness took the day, and the world was filled with wonder at the price he had to pay. And you know you have to pay. Did you see him when they beat him? Did you see him drag his load? Did you claim him as your brother before the rooster crowed? Did you see him when they lashed him, as they nailed him to the cross? Were you mindful of the silver? Did you stagger at the loss? And the sky was filled with thunder as the darkness took the day, and the world was filled with wonder at the price he had to pay. And you know you have to pay. Days after, did you see him when the stone had rolled away? Did you really think that he would do what he did say? Did you see him shine ascended? Did you see him rise above? Did your voice sing with the angels? Did your soul float with the dove? And the sky was filled with rainbows at the glory of the day, and the world still filled with wonder at the price he had to pay. And you know